Craft cocktails are a work of art. Now you can mix a masterpiece at home with Cocktail Artist's newest premium mixes. These are modern mixes of timeless favorites, made from the very best ingredients, raising the bar for quality, authenticity, and flavor. All of Cocktail Artist's mixes and bar ingredients were developed in collaboration with the nation's top bartenders and mixologists for perfectly balanced recipes that make mixing craft cocktails easier than ever.
They're delicious, they have layers of flavor, and I think you're really going to enjoy them.
Richness that just sings like no other ingredients.
There's no high fructose corn syrup.
No artificial flavoring.
These natural fruit juices, you can't beat that.
It's the real deal.
Any one of you can be a bartender at your home.
They can make beautiful cocktails just as I do behind the bar.
So affordable for so many people to elevate their game so easily.
The glass is your canvas. Be a cocktail artist. Now available in stores near you.